You won't believe it, but the muddiest, slimiest marshes on Earth are actually the planet's most elite cleaning crew. Think of wetlands as the Earth's kidneys, and they're 100% more efficient than you'd ever guess. When dirty water flows into a marsh, the dense tangle of plants acts like a giant, natural strainer, snagging heavy debris before it can travel any further. But here's the real kicker. It's not just about catching sticks and trash. Tiny microbes living on the roots of these plants have a massive appetite for pollution. They gobble up nitrogen and phosphorus, the stuff that usually causes toxic algae blooms, and turn it into harmless gases. It's a biological powerhouse where 90% of certain water pollutants can be stripped away just by passing through the reeds. While a high-tech water treatment plant costs millions to build and maintain, these muddy wonderlands do the same job for free 24/7. Without them, our lakes and oceans would be a total disaster zone. They're nature's way of making sure the water cycle stays fresh, proving that a little bit of swamp goes a long way in keeping the world healthy. These ecosystems are also secret flood stoppers, soaking up trillions of gallons like a massive organic sponge. This prevents catastrophic damage to nearby towns during storms. Beyond just cleaning, they're silent guardians protecting our coastlines and providing the world with pure, life-sustaining hydration. They're also massive carbon traps, locking away greenhouse gases deep in the thick peat, which keeps our atmosphere much cooler than it'd be without them.